Hi, today here to talk about physics. Tomorrow we'll have a physics test, a physics exam about the electric field and the electric potential. This is a very abstract idea, concept that I don't understood very well. The electric field I understand more, but the electric potential I don't understood anything. I did a few exercises in my notebook to understand better the electric, and I also made the mental maps because this is a school assignment. I will show. This is about electric field. Is in Portuguese because I'm in school in Brazil and I need to do the assignment in Portuguese. But this is the electric charges, the positive charge, the negative charge, the electric field, the formulas, the direction, the things about the electric field. This is the formula of electric field. This is explaining the formula. Then isn't so difficult subject. You can understand. These have a relation with the OBAS test, the scientific notation, the mathematics, the OBAs. The OBA also require that you need a little bit about physics and mathematics. Then did the OBA helped me understand better it. OBA wasn't a bad spent of my time. Even if I don't achieve the gold medal, I learned many things, was a good experience. I did it good, wasn't a loss of my time. I also have the electric potential mental map. This is the electric potential, the work, the formulas, the other formula, the equation of the electric constant, the charge, the distance of the point of the charge, the electric potential. This is the electric constant, electrostatic constant. This always will be it. The K will always be 9 multiplied by 10 at the 9 newtons multiplied by, I think it's mass squared by coulombs squared. And I have the point form charge that have these, the equipotential superficie that everywhere in this place will have the same electric potential. This is a constant. Everywhere in this place will have the same electric potential. Then I did these mental maps. I don't study very deep because I studied, okay. I catched all the podcasts that I found about electric potential, electricity, electric field, and listened every podcast that I found in Portuguese. English I don't search it, but I listened to every podcast. I did 10 exercises about electric field and studied watching some videos on YouTube, did these 2 mental maps, then I listened all the podcasts, did 2 mental maps, did the 10 exercises, watch videos on YouTube, and search in ChatGPT a little bit. This is what I did, and also making this video. I'm making this video about the subject to study more. This is also a study. Then this is what I did. This is a very abstract, difficult concept, idea. I watched a video on YouTube in the Brazilian channel that made a tier list of the most difficult subjects in physics in the high school, in the Brazilian high school, and the electric potential in the electric field was one of the most difficult subjects in the Brazilian high school. And this is a very abstract concept, difficult, that I don't understood very well. I'm still without understand it very well, but I did what I could. I had other things to do, organize computer, because I must learn about computers, and I needed to have a computer. Is this install the Linux Mint, the Ubuntu isn't okay. I'm having fun, I learn about computers. No, I need a computer to study more, to be more productive. Then I don't had fun, I don't lost my time. I was doing things to improve myself. Then this is what I did about physics. I also studied for the OBA. The OBA helped me a lot because I had a lot of motivation studying for OBA. Then I learned much more than about the electric potential, and the OBA was more easy because I had motivation, and the subject is much better than electric potential in the electric field. The OBA is a model that I think the Brazilian schools should follow. The OBA is very good. Then I have an understanding about mathematics, basic mathematics, to do calculations, to change the formulas, to manipulate the formulas, understanding about physics, about equations. I studied a little bit. Tomorrow I will study more. I will study in school and read the book, try to do many exercises, study before the test to be better. Then tomorrow I have more study, but I did it. I studied about the electric potential and the electric field. This is my study about physics. I will do the test tomorrow. I will do my best to study before and do what I can do. I hope you like it. Thank you for your attention. Bye.